If you want your invoices to look professional and match your brand, customizing invoices in Xero is a must. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to customize invoices in Xero step by step, even if you have zero experience. Custom invoices help you create a strong impression and improve communication with your customers. To get started, log in to your Xero account and go to the Settings menu. From there, select Invoice Settings or Email Settings, depending on your version. Look for the Invoice Templates section where you can manage your invoice design. Next, you can edit an existing template or create a new one. Click on New Branding Theme to design a custom invoice. Give your theme a name so you can easily identify it later. Now, upload your business logo to make your invoice look more professional. Adjust the layout, font, and colors to match your brand identity. You can also customize fields such as company details, contact information, and payment terms. After that, edit the invoice content. You can modify labels, add custom messages, and include payment instructions. This helps your customers clearly understand how and when to pay. You can also set default settings such as due dates, tax rates, and payment methods. This saves time when creating future invoices. Once your customization is complete, save the template and set it as default if needed. Now, whenever you create a new invoice, your custom design will be applied automatically. Before using it regularly, create a sample invoice to test how it looks. Make sure everything is aligned properly and all details are correct. In short, customizing invoices in Xero involves creating a branding theme, adjusting layout and content, setting defaults, and testing the final design. Now that you understand the process, customize your invoices and give your business a more professional appearance. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.